exhausted on this shit sometimes. Fuck. Hello, hello. Live stream number 64. Let's do it. I'm expecting a really good day today. I hope that I'm right. Okay, what did I get on here for? Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Righty. Let's go ahead and take a look around. See what we got going. First, we'll take a look at the dollar. What's going on there? It's still going up from what I can see. I do have to check the news really quick. Got a little bit of news at 5:30. So that's obviously the New York session. So hopefully that won't affect the London session at all. EGBP went up for a while. It does have a double top on the hourly chart, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it'll go down. Odd NZD is probably stalled out for a while. I wouldn't mess with that one either. Majors. Okay. So as of right now, it looks like the dollar is still going up. So you could probably go short on either the odd NZD or sorry, the odd USD or NZD USD. So that might happen. It might go up to like the 21 on the hourly chart and then come back down. So that's a possibility. Might get a long trade here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade the dollar pairs today, because I don't think the dollar index is ready to reverse and come down yet. But then I also don't think it's gonna go up for much longer either. So I'm not sure about the dollar pairs today, but we'll see. Like I said, once the session actually opens, I'll have a much better idea of what I need to do. Okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing much yet, honestly. But like I said, I think you can go short on either the odd USD or NZD USD. So that's the one I'm going to keep. The two pairs I'm going to keep an eye on for sure. Had a very productive day today. I even went to the gym ski. I'm also gonna go again tomorrow. They did unveil the new BMW 5 Series today. It looks better than the leak pictures, but it does not look better than the E-Class Benz. And that is just my opinion. Yeah. It does not It looks all right though. I had to get used to it. It looks, yeah, it's all right. It's okay. It looks very futuristic. I'll give it that. Alrighty. So we have 23 minutes before the open. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. As always, I am not taking trades before the open unless I see a very, very solid EMA pullback. And those do happen on occasion, so it's a possibility. If there's a really, really good move today, I could possibly complete this challenge here today. So I do have that compound trade built up. So we'll see. If I see a very solid 3 reward, we'll go ahead and do it. We will do it, and I'll pass that challenge, get that new $50,000 account. Could definitely use a new account right about now. Okay, all right, so we do have a little bit of a pullback, but like I said, it's before the open, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything on that one. MKKM, how's it going? What do you think about that new Beamer? You like it? Are we liking the new 5 Series? Oh, okay, you didn't see it? Hold on. I'm gonna pull it up. Need a good let's see if I can find it. Okay. All right, really quick. Since we have 20 minutes before the open anyway, I'll show you this beam ski real quick. All right, so this is the new 5 Series. They just unveiled it today. So now that I've had time to like digest it, I like it. I like it. I just like the E-Class better, but it's nice. I like the tail lights. I like the headlights. The grill is not overly big. It looks good. It looks futuristic and muscular. Yeah. It's nice. It's nice. The only thing is the E-Class is just nicer. So, you know, they're both nice. I'm gonna have to roll with the Benzie. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. I'm gonna have to go ahead. Yeah, see this M version, they went a little, that one's a little weird looking. Yeah, it looks good. I think it's I like the cuts they have like on the side and stuff. It probably looks best from the side. Yeah, side view is really nice. Very nice, very nice. I like it. I am obsessed with cars, if you haven't figured that out by now. Obsessed. Always have been. Yeah, interior is really nice. It's nice. It's nice. I'm not gonna say it's ugly because it's definitely not. This one is electric. They made an electric version and a regular version. So that's what BMW is doing from now on. They're making 2 versions of each car. So they have the I5 and the 530 and the 540. So that is the new 5 series. Okay, so back to the trading. I do still think you can go short here or here, and those are the first moves I'm looking at. Those are both EMA pullbacks, so if I see a really nice one, I'll take it even before the open, if that happens to happen. I could also go long on the UCAD. Either one of those 3 moves would be really good, so we'll see. Oh yeah, that new E-class puts it to shame. Not even close. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley? We gotta go with the Benz. I can't afford a Bentley, so you know. I'm gonna stick to my price range. All right, we got 16 minutes before the open. Oh, next year Bentley. Yeah, Bentleys are up there for sure. I don't know about next year, maybe like 3 years. I like Rolls Royces better anyway, but you know, that's what the song was called. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. That's what King Charles, he driving a Bentley, huh? Or a Range Rover. Or both. He probably has both of them, really. Sure, he's got all the cars. Okay. Got 15 minutes. Yeah, what I would like to see is a nice pullback on this dollar index, and then I can trade it back on the way up. That should be a very easy reward there. And if I get a really nice entry, I'll do my 3rd compound trade. And like I said, if I win that trade, then I get my new account, or at least I get to the verification portion, which is super easy and shouldn't take long at all. So at this point, once I pass the challenge, it's pretty much in the bag. So yep, just one more trade. If I can get it, that's it. All right. I'm not sure what to do with the U franc, E franc, G franc. I don't see anything there. Yeah, this should be the dollar should be the easy trades today. Major pairs. Now my third compound trade is $1,200 risk. So it is a little bit scary to have to risk that much on a trade. That's the good thing about compounding, and the bad thing about compounding is you don't want to lose that third trade, that last compound trade, because that one hurts the most if you lose it. Oh yeah, we just need a nice pullback. Oh yeah. So I don't have to take a compound trade today. I could just take some regular trades. That's fine too. I'm not going to take the compound one unless it's like perfect, because you can't move the stop on compound trades. So the move has to be really, really perfect. A really nice EMA pullback to the 21. Those are good ones. A nice deep double top is always good. 50% retrace moves are good. Those are probably the three best ones. But yeah, definitely that 21 EMA pullback. Those are the best to do compound trades on. They have the highest rate of success. So those are what you want to go for. All right. And then to take a $1,200 trade on this account, I definitely have to be, the session has to be already in motion. I'm not going to do that before the session. Way too risky. And yeah, obviously you don't want to risk that much unless the move is like absolutely perfect. Okay. It's a pretty healthy pullback here. Not sure if I actually take anything right now though. I think I'm just gonna wait. We got 10 more minutes until the open. So I think the smart thing to do here is probably to wait. You might be able to get away with going short here. I think it should go up a little bit more though, like up to probably here. A little bit past the 21 on the hourly chart. I think it'll be a little bit safer. I would at least wait for a solid green bar on the 5-minute chart on the US dollar index before taking anything. That would be the safe way to do it. Oof. It's getting hot. Into May, getting into the beginning of June. It's getting a little hot. Okay. So let's see, what would I go short on anyway? Probably the NZDU. No, maybe the AD. Yeah, ADU. All right. Possible that might actually take it a 5. All right, I think I do it. A little bit risky, but I think it's worth the risk. I think. Yeah. I'm not gonna take any compound or anything. I'm only gonna go for 2 reward on this one. Okay. So, like I said, a little bit risky, but definitely a valid trade. Definitely an EMA pullback on the hourly chart, which again, like I always say, some of the best moves that you can ever run across. 65, 38, 4, 38, 38, 4. There we go. Okay. 44, 1, 27, 4. Okay. There's that. Right. Pretty decent chance that goes through. Pretty decent chance this goes up too, this EGBP. Not gonna take this one, but that one looks pretty good too. So I'm just keeping an eye mainly on the dollar index because I think that's what I want to take my final compound trade on. Yeah, it should continue going up for a little bit, but if it pulls back far enough, then I'll get a really nice trade from it, and it'll be like almost guaranteed to go through. So definitely keeping an eye out for that. Hopefully that happens maybe like 12:30, 12:45, somewhere in there. This one should go through, but then it should go probably right back up right after. Yeah, it should come down for a little bit. It might even put a double top in here. But hopefully it just comes straight down. That'd be even better. If I get this trade here, this is $200. It'd be a great way to start the day. Let's see, we got 4 minutes to go. I'm gonna use the bathroom really quick. I'll be right back. Okay. Maybe a little mini double top here, or maybe it just keeps going down. Nah, I think it came down too far for it to put in a double top. If anything, it'll put like a engulfing top, so it'll be like some consolidation bars. But we have a minute and 20 seconds until the open. So hopefully this is one of those opens where it like pushes it further in the direction it's already going. That's what will happen on the opens. Either it'll reverse, you know, very quickly, or it'll push it through very quickly when it's already got a lot of momentum behind it. All right, 45 seconds to go. Yeah, I think it's gonna push it through actually. Okay, here we go. Here's the open. Okay. Good start. Good start. Let's see, he's gonna push through. Okay. Looking pretty good. I think it works. I think this trade works. I probably could even set the take profit to 3. I'm not gonna do that, but I probably could. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it run. Whatever happens, happens. If it fails, it fails. You know, it's only $100 anyway. It was not quite good enough for me to take my compound trade on there, but it's looking like it's gonna go through. So maybe I should have. Right, looking pretty good. Got 5 pips to go. So I only went for 2 reward on this one. It's definitely not asking for much. Like I said, I think it'd probably go 3 anyway. Does have a little bit of support to get through. Yeah, the dollar, let's see. Yeah, dollar's going up. It's like almost impossible for it to come down. So this trade should go through. Man, maybe I should have took my damn compound trade on there. Probably. But it's looking like now I probably won't take that compound trade until tomorrow. I just want a really good, like super solid double confirmation. Everything is perfect. Session is already on. It's not before the open. Because yeah, I don't want to lose. I hate losing the third compound trade. That's like the worst feeling ever. So I always go for like a super extra perfect move for that one. Worst feeling ever. Oh yeah, I don't want to go through that today or tomorrow or ever, really. It's 4 pips away. All right, it's got 3 pips to go. Two pips to go. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I'll probably set it to break even here. If it goes up from here, it's probably not a good sign. Go ahead and set the break even. All right, so we'll see if it goes through. We got 3 pips to go. That's been happening though. It'll be like 2-3 pips, and I'll end up getting either stopped out or it goes break even. Very frustrating. Very frustrating. Okay. Yeah. The chance of this reversing is pretty small. Pretty small. Although it could happen. Doesn't look like it's... This should be fine. Might take a minute. And if not, it's at break even anyway. I was thinking of whether I wanted to possibly take profit early. I'd only miss $50, but you know, why not just get my $50? So I'll let it run. I don't like taking profit early. Certain situations, yeah, but this is not one of those, I don't think. Hopefully. You're looking at EU short. Yeah, dollar's going up, so all the first 4 majors are coming down. And then the UCAD long, you know, the usual stuff. Okay. Two pips away. Ooh. Yeah, watching your trades is like the worst thing you can do. I kind of have to because I'm on this live stream, but yeah, normally don't watch your trades. Just let those go through. You did the proper analysis. You know whether it should work or not. Yeah. So the only thing that might happen here is it goes all the way up. Is that it goes back up to. Is that it goes back up to here and puts in a double top and then comes back down. So if that happens, that means it'll break even and then go through right after. So the good news is I won't lose any money if that ends up happening, but I won't make any either. So hopefully it just goes through here. Oh man. Yeah, the GU and the EU are going down way faster. Okay. It should go through here. Oh, don't. Oh, God. Don't do that. Don't do that. Bruh. All right. I don't like taking trades early, but I'm going to take this one early. It is right at that damn level. Okay. So I took that one early. I'm not in the mood for the shenanigans today. So we're just going to go ahead and take the money. Okay, so successful trade there. I look like I'm not happy that I just won a trade because it's not my compound trade like I wanted. And I don't know if I'm going to have another opportunity to do one today. So I'm probably going to have to wait until tomorrow, which is fine. But I kind of wanted to do it today. I'm already like jaded about my trading, but see, this is where you want to be though. Wins are not important. Losses are not important. As long as you make that profit, weekly profit, that's what matters. The day in, day out doesn't really matter because as long as you follow the plan, you'll have a profit every week. And that's been pretty much this whole entire year. So this year is proof that if you follow a profitable trading plan, you will indeed make money. Go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't already. Helps the stream out quite a bit. How much am I going to risk for the compound trade? The third compound trade is $1,200. $1,200 risk. And you get $3,600 reward. So that puts me above 5,000. 55,000. So it'll be more than enough. So yeah, risking $1,200. obviously is like a lot for this account. I think people forget, they see that it's a $50,000 account, but they forget that the max loss is $5,000. So you'd be pretty crazy to trade it like it's a $50,000 account, because very easy to bust your account doing that. I don't recommend it at all. I would recommend trading it more like a $5,000 account. That's much more reasonable, safe. The chance of blowing the account is very, very small at that point. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what this is stalled out. Alt NZD is stalled out for today. Might be something on the EGBP later on. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a chance. No, that's not true. I might be able to get a chance to do it. John Doe, how's it going? Did I enter any trades yet? Yeah, I won a trade on the AUD USD a couple of minutes ago. So that was this short here. I don't remember the numbers, but it's like a 5 and a 10, something like that. Yeah. So I just won that trade there. So I'll go over it again in the recap video. I think you can pull off a long trade here. I don't know how long it will go up though. I'm gonna skip that one. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow if I can do that compound trade. But that's fine. It's fine. And that's if I get a good trade tomorrow. Might have to drag it all the way out until Monday. So yeah, little under $200 profit so far. I am definitely gonna wait. Yeah, I'll stay on at least until like 1. I think there should be, I should be able to get at least one more good trade out of this, since the dollar's on the move, which is what I always like to see. Those are the easiest trades, really. Right. Gonna have to patiently wait here. Not taking anything else unless it's like solid, perfect, double confirmation, all that, all the above. Super good trades, what I'm looking for. Anything less, I'm not taking it. That should be the case all the time. I'm not that patient though. Sometimes I just know. Sometimes the pattern is not there. I know it's gonna work out anyway. We actually do have a double top here. Problem is the dollar is going up still. I don't know about that one. Maybe not. What's going on with the yens? Anything? Not really. Yeah, you probably could get away shorting the USD CHF. I think so. I'm not gonna do it, but I think that's a pretty good trade. Possibly this one too. Like I said, I don't know how far it would go up. Like, say I took this one here. Oof, yeah, it's already. You'd have to at least go with the whatchamacallit, stop order. So like 4. Yeah, nah. I don't think that's gonna go. That's kind of risky. Nah. That's not the one. It's not the one. Play this run not yet. Be sure to hit that like button if you haven't already. If you're enjoying the channel, join the stream, join the playlist, all that good stuff. Recap videos, free trades. Kind of like stalled out. It was moving really nice, and yeah, kind of like nothing going on now. Yeah, I don't think the dollar's gonna pull back anymore. I think it might just keep going up. And if that's the case, let's see. Yeah, looking kind of slow. I do take it. But like I said, it's not. No. I'm not taking that one today. Should have took this one. I think it's too late now. Yeah, I should have went short here. I think that was the other one. Yeah, it's too late now. This one's still stalled out, probably for the rest of the day. ECHF and GCHF coming down. UCHF coming down. Okay. Yeah, I think my only real chance here today is going to be dollar pairs. So I just have to figure out what's going on with those. Hoping that this pulls back. Big, super hefty pullback. That would be the easiest trade. Yep. Thursday's trading session. When I start feeling winded a little bit. Oh, change this playlist. I'm gonna restart it. Man, slow down so much. Maybe it's the calm before the storm. It was moving before. Oh, what's going on with all this other stuff? stuff that I like to keep an eye on, but I don't really trade. Bitcoin still at 26K, kind of just bouncing around there. Gold is looking like it's about to go up. Okay, so I do not trade gold at all. I'm gonna do a little theory trade here, and we'll see if I'm right. If I did trade gold, I'd probably trade it on like the hour chart. It sounds way safer. Yeah, see, look at this. How am I even 600? This is why I don't like trading this. 600, 1800. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put that on there and see if it works. I don't know how to trade gold at all, but the triple bottom, it should work. Triple bottom on the hourly and the 4 hour. Got this giant level here. Yeah, that should work. Might take like a couple days or something. So I'll keep an eye on that. Hypothetical trade. S&P. I don't really trade this either, but I might in the future. This one's much more like tradable than gold, in my opinion. Much easier to trade. Yeah. I have not been keeping up on the stocks at all. I've been just focusing 100% on Forex. I just have a little bit too much going on. But like I said, once I'm able to free up some of my time, I'll be way more into more of the market stuff. So like the stocks, not so much cryptos. I'm not a big fan of cryptos like that. But definitely stocks, commodities, precious metals, stuff like that. I'll be more involved over there. I just don't have the time right now. Too much scammery going on in the crypto world. I'm just not a fan. We'll see if I ever get my Yield Nodes affiliate check. They ever release the funds, we'll see. I mean, if I do well enough, I'll fly over there to Malta myself and have a chat with him, and he can just give me my money. I'm sure if I see him face to face, he'll just release the funds right then and there. If that's even his office over there in Malta. He did do live in-person audits though, so I mean he has an office. It doesn't mean he stayed there. He could have just moved it to somewhere else. Fled the country or something. I don't know. Hopefully it's not a scam and I'll actually get paid. We will actually get paid what we're owed. Okay. All right, so if there's nothing happening by 1 o'clock, then I'll probably just dip out of the session at that point. So I'll give it 20 more minutes or so. And if there's nothing else, that's fine. I'm okay with the $200 profit. Not great, but you know, it's good enough. It's on the low end of my goals for sure. Info, how's it going? Hold on, I can't read it on that thing. Sell EGBP. Hold on, let me see. There's a good case to be made for selling here. It is a double top on the hourly chart. But look at how heavy it came up. It's the only thing I have an issue with. I think it'll come back down to somewhere in here and then go right back up. That's actually what I'm expecting. I'm a big fan of stop orders. Stop orders are the way to go. For sure. Saves you a ton of losses. A ton of losses. I'm not super good at using stop orders all the time because, like I said, you have to use a bigger stop loss when you use stop orders. So that's the downside of using those. But yeah, you save yourself a ton of money. Your win rate will go way up. That's really the way to do it. Yep. Yeah, no, I don't know about doing anything on the EGBP right now. Because if you sell, I don't think it's going to go much further down. I would wait for it to make some type of pattern down here and then buy it. That's what I would do. I don't think that's going to happen in the next 20 minutes. So probably not going to do that. But if you wanted to wait around for it, it should happen in probably the next 3 hours, 4 hours. There's going to come a point here where I can trade the New York and London session. That's going to be fantastic. I'll do like two hours on each session when I've got time to do that. Probably later on this year. Okay. I'm going to take another quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Also, by the way, that trade I took earlier that I took profit early, it looks like it's gonna go through now. It was like 0.5 pips off or something, and this is probably where it breaks through. Yeah, I probably could have went for 3 reward on that one, probably. That would have been like down here somewhere, something like that. Risky though, because that's where the resistance is. So obviously I wasn't gonna do that, but I think it is gonna go that far, from what I can tell. CBD sleeping pill, by the way. Nothing too fun. And they do work too. Any of those of you out there who also have insomnia, CBD gummies and capsules. And wow, maybe it won't go through that level. I'm glad I took it, just in case it didn't. Ready? Take a quick look around and see. There. Still stalled out there. Not touching that one. Dude. Very particular with the yen trades and the yen. I only trade the yens if they're all going in the same direction, and a nice pullback. Those happen a lot on the yen pairs. Some really good trades too. But other than that, I don't touch the yens at all. Too unpredictable most of the time. Okay, this kept coming down, mainly because the EGBP is coming down. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes. If I don't see anything, and that's fine, I'll just take the $200 for today, which, like I said, I'm completely okay with. My little hypothetical gold trade is still going. That'd be funny if I won that. Looks like I will too. All right, what else we got going on? Okay. Yep, definitely a successful day. That unnecessary red day yesterday, that should not, yesterday should not have been a red day. Kind of psych myself out. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is going through now. Okay. So yeah, I was right on this one. Had I just let the trade run, it would have went through. So good to know. Good to know that I had the right idea there. Yep. We'll give it 9 more minutes. Actually, no. I don't think there's gonna be anything in the next 9 minutes either. So I'll go ahead and call it there. I'll definitely talk more about it on the recap, because I think all this stuff that's gonna happen is gonna take like an hour or 2 or maybe 3. So yeah, like I was saying, the EGBP should reverse back up. Not sure what about this one. It probably goes up actually. Odd NZD, it probably continues going up at some point. The majors are gonna be dependent on this dollar. It's looking like it's running out of steam now, so I'm really not sure what to do on it. So that's why I don't really want to get into anything else. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and call it there. Like I said, be on the lookout for that recap video in the morning, and I will see you guys later.